That's Brock. I'm Brock Yorty. This week's question comes from Cody. Brock, why is it so important to use NSF approved products for drilling a water well? My state doesn't require all products to be NSF approved. It's a great question. It's something that comes up a lot. I just saw something on one of the social media feeds that what is the best detergent or soap that I can buy at a local dollar store to use for drilling. NSF, National Sanitation Foundation. What it's doing is when we see NSF standard 60 or 61 certification, and we see that NSF circle on the products that we're using in that potable water well, those products have been tested, and it is showing that from the source, our aquifer, to the tap in the home, that the products are not going to leach into the groundwater, and that they have been tested to show that they're well below any contaminant limits that could impact us. And sure, as we look at constructing a water well, the electrical tape that we use for that submersible pump, is it NSF approved? You know, there's lots of aspects here where we get into discussions on some of the practices we do. And there are well rehab products that should never be consumed by an individual, because that's the thing. Oh, so it's NSF, I should be able to consume it. No. It should be able to be produced back out of the water well. It should not leach. You know, before NSF, we still had lead brass fittings out there that were being used for hookups. There's multiple levels to this, but if we dive into, let's just look at drilling fluid products. We want NSF approved products that don't have the ability to become a nutrient source for bacteria that's back in that gravel pack, or we didn't get produced out well. So we're looking for products that are capable of not creating a source contamination or leaching. That's a very big thing. And we think about this from lost circulation material. Oh, I'm just going to use these cottonseed hulls or this plastic, versus using something that we know we can produce back out that's NSF approved. To, I'm just going to use Calgon or Dawn dish soap. And sure, maybe we find one that's phosphate free, but we're not doing the correct service here. And that's every water well we drill, regardless if it's irrigation or it's for a home, needs to use NSF approved products. Matter of fact, most places we create a borehole that's going to intersect aquifers, we should be doing our best duty, our best practices as drilling professionals and groundwater professionals to use NSF approved products. And that's because they've been tested. The companies have gone through the due diligence and continue to go through the due diligence to make sure that we're not becoming a new contaminant source into that aquifer. And that's the big thing, is protecting the groundwater. So go to the website, look at the list, look at all the products from everything that touches water, and see what's NSF and what's not. And think, is this something you would let your family drink from? It's a great question, Cody. Good luck.